Today, you are an architect designing your own dream house, and math is your main tool. You will draw 4 rooms on grid paper, and each square stands for 1 square meter of floor space. Every room needs 2 important measurements. The perimeter is the distance all the way around the room, which tells you how much wall you need. The area is the space inside the room, which tells you how much carpet you need. Sometimes your wall material is limited. That means the perimeter is fixed and cannot change. You can choose the shape of the room, but you cannot use more wall than you were given. Imagine you have 24 meters of wall to build one room. You could make a long, skinny rectangle, or you could make a shape closer to a square. Both use the same amount of wall. Let's test it with numbers. A 1 by 11 room uses 24 meters of wall, but its area is only 11 square meters. A 4 by 8 room still uses 24 meters of wall, and its area is 32 square meters. A 6 by 6 room also uses 24 meters of wall, and its area is 36 square meters. The perimeter stayed the same every time, but the area got bigger as the sides became more equal. The room that looks most like a square gave the biggest floor space. This idea helps you make smart choices in your dream house project. When you choose room sizes, try to make them square or close to square. That way, you get more living space without needing extra walls. After designing each room, calculate its area and perimeter, then add all the areas together to find the grand total area of your house. Architects do this every day to plan space, materials, and costs. Math helps you prove your design works. Same walls, more space, make it square or almost square.